Hello, and welcome to Exposing Truth Ministry for a fascinating health nugget. Now, the first in my life I've heard about this thing. Some people call it Dong Quai, some people call it Dong Quai, but it's not something that you ride. It's a herb. Welcome, Sister Avia. Please tell us about Dong Quai or Dong Quai.
So Dong Quai is well one of the pronunciation, yes. So we'll be talking about that particular herb. And let me start sharing my screen. All right, so we'll be looking at Dong Quai. As Sister Faith says, it's a little tricky with the pronunciation. I always like to tie in the word. And this verse is from Genesis 1, verse 29. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in the which is a fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat. So, what is Dong Quai? It has several different names. I included two here, female ginseng and Angelica sinensis, which is the scientific name. It is related to celery. It's really a powerful herb grown primarily in Asia, also used as a spice and tonic. The Asian people will include it in many of their different dishes. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine. The health benefit is really extensive. It contains essential oils like coumarins, phytosterols, polysaccharides, ferulate, and flavonoids. I was looking at this report from the Alternative Medicine Review, and they stated that it contains many vital nutrients such as vitamin B12, folic acid, biotin, nicotinic acid, calcium, magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. So what part of the herb is used? The root is where most of the valuable chemical components are found. What they do is dry the root and use it to make powders, tinctures, tonics, along with other herbal supplements. Let's look at the purposes. So it's useful for almost every female condition you can think of. It is especially useful for menstrual, I need to minimize me here, for menstrual cramps, irregularity, delayed flow, and weaknesses during a menstrual period. Relieves the symptoms of menopause. It is useful in treating hot flushes and premenstrual syndrome. I want to say here too that when Chinese practitioners are treating women with this condition, those women who are having menopausal issues, they usually use it in combination with other herbs, okay? Because people might be looking at the research and they're saying, oh, it doesn't work. Research is not showing that, but they usually use it along with other herbs. It does strengthen the reproductive system and helps the body use hormones, treats insomnia, hypertension, and cramps, helps treat anemia, and is a valuable blood purifier. It is a rich source of many vital nutrients and may also help to replenish blood supply after injury or surgery, both volume and red blood cell count. It helps to improve blood circulation. So the significant levels of iron that is found in Dong Quai mean that it can significantly boost circulation throughout the body. Helps to detoxify the body. The high levels of nutrients and vitamins in Dong Quai, such as the folic acid, biotin, and vitamin B12, work to clear out the blood and reduce toxicity throughout the body. Prevents anemia. The iron is a key component of red blood cells, okay? And without it, we suffer from anemia. And when we're suffering from anemia, we might experience, headaches, muscle weakness, unexplained fatigue, and cognitive disorders. Dong Quai is a powerful natural remedy for anemia. Improves heart health. So Dong Quai can help with heart health in many ways. It has been directly connected with lower blood pressure in research studies. And it can also treat abnormal heart rhythms due to its antispasmodic capabilities. Can reduce excess platelet buildup in the arteries and blood vessels. Contributes to bone health. The estrogen hormone helps regulate bone formation and protects bone cells from damage. A 2014 study revealed that Dong Quai has an anti-osteoporotic effect. Osteoporosis may affect both menopausal and postmenopausal women due to the reduction in estrogen levels that occur during that period. A preliminary study published in PLOS, or I think they're called PLOS One, shows that compounds extracted from Dong Quai show potential for treating osteoarthritis. Also strengthens the bone. Bone density and regeneration gradually decline as we age, resulting in a reduction of bone formation and overall bone loss. Dong Quai helps prevent osteoporosis by increasing bone density and has been used in combination with Chinese herbal prescriptions to reduce bone loss that causes osteoporosis. It contributes towards cartilage health and promotes the regeneration of cartilage and bone tissues. A 2002 in vitro study shows that Dong Quai stimulated bone remodeling by enhancing the secretion of protein and the synthesis of collagen. Reduces inflammation. It helps to reduce several inflammatory markers in the body, which is the body's reaction to fight off foreign organisms. The rich source of antioxidants present in it makes it an extremely effective antibacterial and anti-inflammatory food. Beneficial for women. This potent herb has the ability to regulate estrogen levels, whether they are exorbitantly high or too low. It helps in strengthening the uterus, improving uterine tone, and regulates the menstrual cycle. Female ginseng is also a blood tonic in traditional Chinese medicine that has been utilized to improve red blood cell counts that help after menstruation. It also increases blood flow to the reproductive system, reducing congestion and excess pain. It is traditionally used for situations of stagnation, such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, endometriosis, ovarian cyst, and uterine fibroids. And we'll continue with the beneficial for women. It has been used for many years as a natural alternative to help alleviate symptoms of menopause. These symptoms include hot flushes, hair loss, osteoporosis, mood swings, night sweats. Dong Quai can be teamed with other herbs like milk thistle, black cohosh, and red clover to help with the hot flushes and sleep disturbance. According to one Italian study, Dong Quai could have an estrogenic effect and may be able to help regulate hormone levels and relieve your menopause symptoms without the use of synthetic chemicals, which have many side effects and risks. Another study found that a mixture of Dong Quai and German chamomile was able to reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flushes by up to 96%. So let's take a look at the forms of the herb. Many different ways you can get it. Capsules or tablets, which might be the most convenient for those who prefer more standardized dose. It's also available in tinctures and powder. Whatever form you choose to use, you want to ensure that you are indeed following the dosing instructions provided on the label. It can be, if you're using the powder, you can add it to some hot water. You can add it to your smoothie, other beverages that you might consume, okay? The tincture, you can do that as well. All right, let's look at the side effects. So it has a blood thinning effect, okay? And that is because it contains coumarin. Coumarin is responsible for blood thinning. So if you're taking medication for blood thinning, you might want to talk to your doctor before including, or you might want to avoid it altogether. If you are using other natural remedies like ginkgo, ginger, and garlic, you might want to be cautious as well, since those tend to have a blood thinning effect, okay? It should be avoided by people who are allergic to cilantro, celery, or dill, because Dong Quai is of that same family. Women should avoid Dong Quai during pregnancy and lactation. Its effects on the uterine muscles can cause adverse effects. People with hormone-sensitive conditions like ovarian or uterine cancer, uterine fibroid, and endometriosis should not use it because of its estrogen-like effect. It interferes with different medications. And again, if you're on any kind of medication, hormone replacement therapy, medication for pain, it is advisable that you avoid it or you talk to your healthcare provider. Side effects of Dong Quai are rare, but may include difficulty breathing, bloating, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, or weakness. If you experience these or any other symptoms, you want to discontinue that and talk to your doctor. My sources included the Natural Remedies Encyclopedia, AlternativeMedReview.com, community.bulksupplements.com, Dr. Axe, healthyfocus.org, herbazest.com, medicalnewstoday.com, and organicfacts.net.
Well, thank you so much, Sister Avia, for sharing with us about this new herb, new to me. Viewers, thank you for watching. Have you used Dong Quai or otherwise Dong Quai? Let us know in the comment below. Let's start writing this thing if you are struggling with female issues. Thank you for the caution. And one of the things I like about when you do your presentation and you're telling about the side effect, you don't talk about it like when they advertise side effects and they go like 150 miles per hour with your thing. You slow down. Hey, think about this. This caused this. Talk to your doctor, right? And we don't have a beautiful woman running across the street. We have a beautiful woman making the presentation. So thank you so much. We're always happy to have you. Please come back again. Let us know in the comment below. Have you been using Dong Quai? Or would you like to try it? Try it and let us know how it is working for you. I may even try it. Thank you. God bless. We want it to prosper. We want your soul to prosper as well. So remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when a new health nugget is available. Thank you.